So we've got Mercedes 220 CDI. It's 2007 registration, and it has engine management light on. We're just gonna plug into it and see what the problem is. It's also worth noting here that the power is lacking power on acceleration, so it doesn't pull as well as it should. And we're just gonna plug in and see what it shows us. Right, so we've plugged into the E-Class and we've come up with a boost pressure fault. So it's saying it's a P0237 turbocharger or supercharger boost sensor A circuit low. So it's basically that means it's under boosting. So whether it's a mechanical problem or electrical problem, we're not sure exactly yet, but it could be turbo. So that's where we are. So we'll do some tests and just to see and determine what the exact issue is here. So we've got some live data on the screen, and when we accelerate, there's no change to the boost pressure. So it's either the boost pressure sensor is not reading correctly, or the actual actuator is stuck. As you can see, the actuator here is not even changing position. If you rev it up, sorry, nothing. So what we'll do, it's going to be one of two things. It's going to be the pressure sensor, or the actuator is stuck, or some wiring of some sort. So we'll just have a look at that and see which one is quicker to test and which one is easier to get to. Okay, so now we've done a few checks. I think the first thing you will notice is the boost pressure is higher than it was before, so it's at 20.3 psi. The one when we checked it before, it was stuck at 14. It wasn't moving. So we did some checks, wiring checks and so forth, and we concluded it was a boost pressure sensor that was at fault. We replaced that. Sorry for the glare. I just want to show you the result of that. You can see before we weren't having any change in the boost pressure positioner, and now I just want to show you. Just gonna accelerate a bit, press the accelerator, and you should see as the boost pressure goes up. See, there we go. So you see, there we see change in the position there, the boost. As the boost increases, you see that change. So I think this is a fix. We've taken the vehicle out already. We checked, tested it. It's a lot better than it was. Full power, back to full power. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. And it could have gone a bit more complicated. It could have been something else. In this case, it was just a sensor. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. Right, I'm just going to show you where the sensor is located on this. If you pop the fuel filter out, just remove that aside. You can just see it. Sorry about if I get torch 1 second. You can just see it down there, look. So that's where it's located.